Today is the day we're going to learn how to glue meat together. Or more precisely, how to attach two kinds of proteins to each other. In our case, it's going to be a puree of white sea bass and pieces of tuna. We're going to create a beautiful mosaic by gluing these two kinds of fish together, like you've probably already seen on numerous posts of your famous fine dining chefs on Instagram. So in this video, I'm going to share with you two different culinary techniques of how to apply this meat glue, also known as Activa RM or other kinds of Activa, or better known as Transglutaminase, which is a very long word and I hope I pronounced it correctly. So I'm going to show you how to apply this meat glue to glue together a protein-based puree, which in our case is going to be a fish puree, and separate pieces of meat. By the way, if you want me to make a breakdown video on this fine dining molecular ingredient, let me know in the comments below. But for now, let's roll the video. So here it is, our beautiful fish mosaic roulade is ready. I hope it's ready. It's been in the fridge overnight and it should have been enough time for all the pieces of fish to bind together. The timing really depends on the kind of protein you want to glue together and the temperature as well. But overnight in the fridge should be enough for any kind of protein. So now let's cut into it and see how it looks. So here it is, guys, our beautiful fish roulade is ready. I have to say that my tuna is not bright as pink as I would have imagined, but it's okay, it's still super tasty. So for now, since I already shown you the cross-cut, I'm gonna go ahead and have it cooked and enjoy it all by myself. And for the day, that's it, guys. If you do like this video, like it. And do let me know in the comments below, have you already worked with meat glue? What have you done with it and what's your take on it? And that's a wrap for today. I'll see you in the next video.